This is Paul. Yeah. I was reading this dictionary. Yeah. And they have what's called a civilian. Yeah. A person not serving in the military as a firefighter or as a policeman. Yeah. A lot of civilians that are not in the military don't really understand the significance of being able to GPS the location of every debit card of those that are active duty. Now, I know quite a bit about the point of sale. It's one of those that, let's say you're in the cloning business, you're the father of all clones. And you got yourself into the fish family, but there are some of those in the Marines or in the Navy or the Army, some of those in the Air Force, that really do not like some technologies that monitor their thoughts, their location. They really don't like some of the technology that corporate America has researched and developed. Now, let's say you're the one that manufactured the clone. And one of these, I don't know, lower level in the ranks of the military gets their debit card to go travel to whatever location for their training. Right! Well, you actually can track the exact location if you have access to the supercomputer that does all the transaction processing. Now, some of those in corporate America, father of all clones, thought that they needed to take control of the United States military. Now, as a civilian, I know what it feels like to have somebody put their fish on me. Pooch. Sucks the saliva right out of my mouth. But when you're in uniform and you decided, well, I can see from his debit card transactions, he's in this city and he's at this location, and we'll just make arrangements to cross paths with a clone so that I can look at the soldier, and then I'll put my clone on him. Then I'll control the military from corporate America. Now I've learned quite a bit about clones. There might have been some of those in uniform over the last, 20, 30, 40 years that wondered, how did you know what I was thinking? Or how did you get my right hand? Because I know in the super top secret world of corporate espionage, a lot of soldiers, and I don't know if all of them have, but a lot of them have actually come to find out. Now, I'm one of these United States citizens that would say, well, your cloning is actually illegal. Is it really? It looks like a human being, but is it a weapon? Biohazardous weapon. Now, as those that are in intelligence go through each of the travel debit cards that corporate America facilitated the transactions of, I just wanted to know what military law says. I'm a little upset today.